All right, class. Yesterday we stopped at the after we finished all of the standard form equations. Today we're going to move into the word problems where you're going to use point slope form. You will use point slope form when the problem gives a sample point, which is, remember, is our x1, y1, and when it gives you a rate of change, which will be our m. You're going to use this formula. Y minus y1 equals m parentheses x minus x1. So let's look at problem number 9. It says, at Eagle Bay, it costs $10 per hour. So I know whenever I see per hour, that's going to be my slope. Label it m. Nick and his friends rented a canoe for 3 hours and paid $45. So since this says per hour, remember the m is always touching the x, so this 3 hours is my x, and our x1, and the 45 will be our y1. It says write and solve a linear equation, find the cost of rent for 8 hours. So we're going to take our slope and our point and plug it in a point slope. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. If you take your time to write the equation, you're going to increase your chances of plugging this in right. So we always start with y minus, and what's our y1? This time is 45. Equals my slope m times x minus, and then our x1, this time is 3. From here, distribute. So we get 10x minus 30 equals y minus 45. After we distribute, you move your number away from y. So add 45. Those cancel. We get y equals 10x plus 15. Now we have this in a form we can use. All we need to do now is find out how much it costs for 8 hours. Well, it's $10 per hour. So I need to plug in this 8 for my hours, which is the x. So y equals 10 times 8 plus 15. That's going to be 80 plus 15, which is 95. So it'll cost us $95. All right. Let's try number 10. I'm going to read it. I want you to solve and check it, and then push play when you're ready to see the answer. So here's the problem. A construction company charges $15 per hour for debris removal, plus a one-time fee for the use of the trash dumpster. The total fee for 9 hours of service was $195. Write and solve a linear equation to find the one-time fee for the trash dumpster. Push pause until you've worked it out. Push play when you're ready to check. All right, I hope you've already worked this out. Here's what I got for my work. Now, I know 15 per hour. It says per, so that's my m, that's my slope. And then they had a fee for 9 hours, which is our x, and the service was $195, that's our y. Remember, your x is always going to match up with whatever term was with your slope. Now let's plug it in. Y minus 195 equals 15 times x minus 9. First thing here, distribute. So we get 15x minus 135 equals y minus 195. Add 195. Those cancel. We get y equals 15x plus 60. Now, it asks for the one-time fee. Well, 15x per hour plus a $60 fee. So it was just $60. All right, let's go on to the next page. I'm going to go ahead and stop the video here, and I'll put in 11 and 12 on the next video.